In this tutorial, I'm going to expose my secret that how I shoot and edit my photos. So hi, my name is Aaykay and you're watching Aaykay Production. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So in the first step, I will take a simple photo. By the way, this is our storeroom, so ignore my chappal. So this is our photo. Now just look at the base, that is not good, so I'll change it a little bit by adding another photo, which is also I have taken from another wall that is just located in front of our house. I took it when Sinda was not in his home. Now let's make it just like the size of our actual base. Invert the layer, or you can just simply disable it. Now back to the original layer, just select the base. I'll simply remove the areas which I have selected, or you can simply select that area which you don't want to be affected. Now let's change the blending option to vivid light. Decrease the opacity up to 60% or something like that, and also fill. Now let's move our finger on the selective color. You can do it according to your image. As the image is a little bit more saturated, so let's decrease the saturation of our photo. I think it's fine now. Now it's time for something very horror. Let's add the dark hand pages of my friend's hand. I doesn't mean it is a sin. Sorry, a sin. Let's get each and every hand one by one so I can put where I want to put it. Just select each hand and make a copy of that, and then we will delete the actual layer of the hands. Let's group all the layer and name it hand. Now let's make all the layer into a new layer called smart object. So what is smart object? A smart object is a layer which preserves the original quality of the image and allows you to work non-destructive at any instant. Now you can see I can drag each and every hand where I want to drag. I can put this right above my head or just below my feet. Just like this, I can rotate it, I can move it. I can put this here, here and here. Now let's add an empty layer. Fill it with gray, 50% gray, and press OK. And boom, everything is gray and gray. Let's add the blending option to overlay. Select a soft brush and zoom the photo like you zoom your X photo. Is my beard looking good or not? Looks like Habibi? Share. Just say your opinion in the comment. And if you don't have any X or Y, so just sleep like me. Yeah, still single. Now, let's make the flow up to 1%. This is basically called dodge and burn, where we light up the lighter part of the body, and dodge the darkest parts of the body. I'll skip this process a little bit because it is not that much important for you guys. But you can see the result. Now let's move to the final and my favorite part of editing, that is camera raw filter. If you don't have colors in your life, just come to the camera raw filter. I can color you. Let's work with the basics. Temp, light shadows, and something like. Just go to the HSL, decrease or increase the saturation of each and every color, and the most amazing color grading part, where you can color the midtones, highlights, and shadows very well. So after giving a lot of time in the camera filter, my final output of today's editing is. So for the next video, I have something very special. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.